Hello, this is a quick message for the owner of Luke's Roofing. My name is Robert. I live in the GTA. I saw one of your trucks downtown maybe a couple of weeks back, and I work just the reason I'm actually contacting you. I specialize in helping roofing contractors get to the first page of Google. So I saw your truck, took a picture of it, and thought I'd see if you have a website, of course, which you do. I'm going to shoot a very quick video, try and keep it as short as possible, try and bring some value to you that'll help you rank higher in Google. First of all, when I go to your website, nice website, nothing wrong with it whatsoever, but I notice one big flag, big red flag here is you don't have a phone number anywhere. That being said, I would add a phone number to your site unless you were so inundated with phone calls that you don't need any more business. But if you do need business, absolutely get a phone number up here. You do have contact us by email here. You're missing so many calls. That's fine if you want to contact people want to contact you by email, but 90% of your customers, probably even 95%, will never even do that, right? They just want to be able to call somebody, get a quote, see when you can come take a look at their roof, go from there, right? So add that phone number. I notice your truck has the phone number but not the website, and it's the opposite on your website. So maybe look at both of those too, right? That being said, let's take a look at some keyword terms here. Roofing companies in Toronto is a very highly sought after keyword. This is the map area of the Googles. You may be very familiar with it already, right? It's this area here where people are trying to rank you at, or sorry, trying to rank for in these top three, right? And this is the organic area here. So Google controls this right here. And then, of course, this is all organic. This is another way that they don't necessarily control that organic ranking or do anything with it. But there's ways to get much higher up in this area here and, of course, on the first page of it. So looking at roofing companies, you don't rank anywhere near in the top three here in these map pack area, but I did find you all the way down here at page 6. That's 6 pages back, Luke's Roofing right here. Means you're not being found for anything. Let's take a look at the other keyword term here. Sorry, the other, apologize. The organic area here, Luke's Roofing again too. This is the organic. I found you here, of course, but you're all the way on page 6. Again, no man's land again. These are things that you could rank for much more naturally. You can increase your boostings from page 6, several pages up. How do I know these are important words? Google tells me so. Right? I look at these right here. Now, please don't be alarmed. I'm not trying to sell you Google ads. I want to show you how to rank these a lot more natural over time so that they stick. Google ads, once you stop doing them, they go away, right? The phone stops ringing after that. That being said, so these are areas that you want to rank for. Let's take a look at some of these keyword terms and another tool that I use just to verify where you're actually ranking at. So flat roofing contractors, that's another, let me go back here for a second. That is a highly sought after a keyword term. Flat roofers, there's not a lot of calls out of it, but look at the dollar value. People will pay between 20 bucks and 36 bucks to be able to rank for that keyword term and to have people do that. I saw on your site you do that. So again, other areas to be able to rank for. So when it comes to flat roofing contractors in Toronto, there's 51 other people ahead of you that actually rank for that term. You're in space number 52. Roofing Companies Toronto, there's 60 other people ahead of you. Again, you're number 61 here, right? So a lot of times you're not being seen or even considered for these unless people are actually really digging in deep. Okay, another quick area here to help you out. This is a tool that I use right here. It scans your entire website and it looks at it in the eyes of Google as far as what does Google see. So I put in Luke's Roofing right here and it analyzes it. First of all, you have what's called a title tag. That title tag is the area over here that tells me roofing, Toronto roofing, roofing contractors in Toronto area, right? Sorry, let me get back to it here, what you are in that. Actually, I wouldn't change that. I'd leave that alone right there. Those are 2 keyword terms, and that's fine. Your description of your business, maybe I'd add a little bit more to it than this right here, right? Try and get a few more keywords in there just so it does pick up and a notch or two. That's not as big of a deal, but here's where the real value comes in here. This is what's called a H1 or a header tag. This header tag is really big to Google right here. Now, this is like a title of a book, okay? If you don't know the author and you strictly look at the title of a book, a lot of times you might buy it off of that if it's a catchy title. These tags, right? What Google looks at here should be somewhere up here. So if you see like this, we're on your website here, and of course, if we look at superior workmanship, right? That is your title tag up here, the very first one. This is something that's got to be changed, or you should change if it, and I would change if it was my website, right? Just because of the fact that people aren't searching for superior workmanship. They're searching for Roofing Companies Toronto, right? Again, how do we know that? Because it is a highly sought after word in the eyes of Google's. So I would put that in that place right here. You could put, I know this is switching right around, but you could definitely put that in this spot right here as far as superior workmanship goes. I would maybe put that further down on the page. And of course, looking at some of these other H1 header tags too. Again, they need to be more keyword rich. This will naturally take you from these lower end spots that you see here and drastically increase your organic ranking. Actually, it'll help you here too in the map pack listing as well. So listen, this is just one little bit of information. I hope this helps you out. I don't usually make a video that's about 6 minutes long here. If you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me. Like I said, I just hope that this brings some value to you. I do live in the GTA area. If we ever do talk or whatever work together, you always work with me. It's nobody ever in China or India or any place else. Everybody goes directly to me, and we go from there. So hope this helps. Take care, and bye for now.